Jay Haynes with the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show how to create this rotating text in HitFilm. All right, so what I'm going to do is start by creating a new composite shot. I'm going to make this composite shot 5 seconds and click OK. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a new text, and I will just real quickly change the aspects of this so that it is what I'm looking for. Then I'm going to go to the Effects tab, and under the Generate folder, I will find the 3D extrusion layer only. This effect is a layer only effect, which means it only works in a composite shot, which is why I didn't do this on the editor timeline. I'm going to drag this into my new text, and you can see that the default depth is 20. I'm going to make that a little bigger, maybe 50. And then I'm going to go ahead and transform from a point position. So I need to create a new point, and I will make that 3-dimensional. This will automatically add a new camera. If it doesn't, it will ask you if you want to, and you say yes. So let me get rid of the floor planes, and now under the 3D extrusion, I'll transform from that new point. All right, so now under the new point, opening up the transform properties, I'm going to keyframe the Y rotation. So I will turn on keyframing for that, and then I'm going to go exactly halfway through my 5 seconds, 2.5 seconds, and I will make this -90 degrees, so it's sideways. I will advance forward 1 frame, and then I will make this 90 degrees, and then I will move to the end and make this 0. All right, and that's pretty much it. What this does is it makes sure that it's always facing forward. The word is always facing forward. Let me go ahead and set the loop playback to on. And then when I play this, you can see that it's rotating through, and it still faces forward all the way as it rotates through this. Okay, now there's a couple of small things I would like to fix. First of all, there's a little bit of a hesitation right here at the end. I can fix that by just taking this last keyframe and pushing it 1 frame back. So now as it flows through that one and back to the front again, there's no hesitation. The other thing is that you can see between these 2 keyframes that this shifts over. The reason is because the position point is set to the very front edge of the 3D extrusion, which means that as I switch from -90 to 90 degrees, it is shifting it. I can actually make that adjustment in the 3D extrusion effect itself. So if I go back to that and I see the Z shift, I can change this. Since the depth is 50, I'm going to change this to 25, which is halfway. And now you can see that it is in the same place as it's rotating. And so now if I were to play it, you can see that this is rotating smoothly without any shifting, and the front of the letters are always facing forward. So that's how you do it. I'm Jay Haynes with the Film Sensei YouTube channel, and do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and hey, as always, thanks for watching.